Welcome back, everyone. Today we had a really cool opportunity to be able to show you the 3UR FE engine, which is the 5.7 for the heavier Toyotas like the Tundras, Sequoias, your Lexus LX 570s, and your Land Cruisers. This engine is a member of the UR family, and at 5.7 liters, it does boast the biggest displacement within the family, and it is actually noted as the most durable and reliable as well. As you can see, it's pretty huge, hence why I'm not standing on the floor. It's too big to film that way, so in case you were wondering. This engine was extensively tested by Toyota when it was produced as well, and it's actually found that you can run it 400,000 or more miles as long as you keep up with your regular maintenance and use high-grade oil and fuel. However, it is 2020 and nothing in this world is perfect. The 3UR FE is not exempt. Similar to the Hemi, this engine does operate at higher temperatures and can experience some of the same oil cooking issues. These issues are best avoided by running high quality oil throughout the engine, also keeping an eye on your oil levels and just keeping up with your regular maintenance. Another issue with the 3UR FE is the water pump. It's known to have a pretty short lifespan. It starts leaking and breaking around 60,000 miles. So we are going to recommend that you replace it when you purchase this engine with us. However, luckily we do offer an installation kit for this engine, and it not only comes with the new water pump that you will need, but also all your basic tune-up parts to have your super duper reliable 3UR FE running great. If you're interested in this 5.7 hoss of an engine, give your drivetrain genius a call today. It's 888-842-0023, or you can visit us online at powertrainproducts.net.